Hi guys, you're watching Secret Spices of Beauty. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you all how you can get rid of unwanted facial hair in just 10 minutes at home very easily. This home remedy will help you get rid of all the facial hair from your face in just 10 minutes with just 3 to 4 ingredients which are very easily available at your home. So without any delay, let's get started. First, let us see what all you will need. First is gram flour or besan. Second is 2 to 3 spoons of milk. Third is rose water. And the fourth is most important, turmeric or haldi powder. For best results, you can also add coconut oil in it. It will help you remove the paste from the face very easily without any pain. So add coconut water to it as well. In a mixing bowl, add 2 spoons of besan, 2 spoons of milk, 1/4 spoon of haldi powder. You can also add just a pinch of it, 1 spoon of rose water and 1 spoon of coconut oil. Mix all the ingredients well and prepare a smooth paste out of it. This home remedy is used by the Indians from ancient times and helps them to get rid of all the unwanted facial hair in just 10 to 15 minutes very easily. Apply this paste on your face and wherever you have unwanted facial hair. You can also apply this paste on your neck and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wait for this paste to dry completely. Now the trick to remove this paste is remove it in the opposite direction of your facial hair growth. Your facial hair grows in downward directions of your face. So remove it with regular circular motions in the upward direction. So remove it in circular upper direction circles and keep doing this for 5 to 6 minutes continuously till all the paste is removed from your face. Do not apply any kind of water or any kind of wipes with it. Just remove it with your circular motions of your fingers in the opposite direction of your facial hair growth. You will see that all the facial hair are removed from your face without any pain, without any efforts, without any laser treatments or without any expense. This trick works as wonders for all of those who have excess of facial hair growth on their faces and helps them get rid of all the facial hair in just 10 minutes of their time. Do try this remedy at home and let me know how you all used it and how it gave you results. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of my videos, and do not forget to check out rest of my videos. I'll link them down in the description box below, and hit that like button, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Secret Spices of Beauty. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, bye bye.